Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, join me to discuss our next topic in General Mathematics under Strengthened Curriculum, Term 1 entitled Value Added Tax. So we'll be discussing about or solving word problems involving value added tax, if it is VAT inclusive or VAT inclusive, exclusive or inclusive. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to discuss about value added tax. I hope that the audio is now clear, guys, because I bought this microphone, okay, and I attached this, um, I think it's a receiver on the iPad. Now, value added tax, this is the lesson number 6 in General Mathematics under Strengthened Curriculum. Now, what is value added tax? Now, let's have first an activity. It's entitled Bili Tayo. Now, take a look at the example of goods. Now, if you buy this from a sari-sari store, do you think the price includes tax? Any idea? What do you think? Okay, the answer is no. Now, the price usually does not include VAT or value added tax in small sari-sari stores because most of them are not VAT registered. Only businesses with annual sales over 3 million pesos are required to register for VAT under the BIR or Bureau of Internal Revenue in the Philippines. Instead, sari-sari stores often include a simple markup, okay, to earn profit but are not required to charge or report VAT or value-added tax. Okay. Now let's proceed to the discussion. What is then VAT? Now I know that you are familiar with this one. You have heard this acronym VAT many times. So VAT or value added tax is a 12% tax added to goods or services in the Philippines. It is mandated by the Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR, and VAT is also applied as a tax in the importation of goods in the Philippines. Now there are types of VAT. Now take a look at the receipt. Now, example of receipt guys. Let's say you bought something from the Plaza or any department store in the city. So take a look at one. So types of VAT, you have their VAT 12%. The VAT or value added tax 12% is a tax imposed on the sale of goods, properties, or services in the Philippines. The standard rate is 12% and is usually passed on to the buyer. Now VAT zero rated or 0%. VAT zero rated means the sale of goods or services is subject to 0% VAT, but the seller is still VAT registered and can claim input VAT credits or refunds for VAT be paid on purchases related to the sale. Now, what is VAT exempt? VAT exempt means the sale or service is not subject to VAT and the seller cannot claim input VAT credits. Okay, those are types of VAT. Now, how to calculate VAT exclusive, VAT inclusive, and VAT amount. Now, for VAT exclusive, guys, the price without VAT, that means that is a price without the VAT or no value added tax. When you say VAT inclusive, that is a price with VAT already included. Then VAT amount, the value of the VAT either computed from the exclusive or inclusive amount. Now, if the price is VAT exclusive, add 12%. Okay? Meaning to say there's no VAT yet, meaning without VAT. So you have to add 12%. So the total price is equal to the base price times 1.12. When you add 12%, instead of multiplying the base price times 0.12, then add that to the base price. There's a shortcut way. Just simply multiply it by 1.12. That is the same as getting the 12% and added it to the base price. So by multiplying 1.12. If price is VAT inclusive, meaning you have to remove 12%. So if you are going to remove 12%, then that is VAT amount is equal to the selling price divided by 1.12, then multiply it by 0.12. Okay? Then the base price is equal to the selling price divided by 1.12. So that will be the base price that will come out. Now let's have an example. A sari-sari store buys shampoo for 200 pesos, VAT exclusive. How much is the total price with VAT or with value added tax? So the total price based on the formula given a while ago. So formula will be total price is equal to the base price times 1.12. That is 200 pesos times 1.12. Therefore, the total price will be 224 pesos. Okay. Let's proceed to example number 2. A cell phone costs 11,200 pesos, VAT included. What is the base price and the VAT amount? Now, there are two questions here that we have to solve. Base price and the VAT amount. So we are asked to get for that two um, values. So the VAT amount will be selling price, going back to the formula, divided by 1.12, then times 0.12. So that will be 11,200 pesos divided by 1.12, then times 0.12. Therefore, the VAT amount is 1,200 pesos. And the base price will be selling price minus the VAT amount. So it will be 11,200 pesos minus 1,200 pesos. The selling price is 10,000 pesos. Okay? So I hope you were able to get that um, problem. I mean, that's 10% is now the base price. Okay. Let us proceed to example number 3. A gadget shop buys a power bank for 1,500 pesos and applies a 25% markup. Now, we discussed markup already in the previous discussion, guys, in the previous video lesson. Now, they give a 5% discount to loyal customers. We already discussed about discount as well in the past lesson. The final selling price is VAT inclusive. So you have there's 12% added already. What is the base price excluding VAT, VAT amount, and final price the customer pays? Always remember that the base price is always excluding the VAT, okay, without the VAT yet. So the markup price will be 1,500 pesos times, okay, the markup is 25%. Guys, you may be wondering why we multiply it by 1.25. I'll tell you how. You can actually use your own solutions for this one, the long one, the one that you're used to, but this is a shortcut one. 1,500 pesos is the selling price. Now, 1,800, you are going to get, it says applies a 25% markup. So we have to get the markup price. Okay, 1,500 pesos. Let's go back to the problem. A gadget shop buys a power bank for 1,500 pesos and applies a 25% markup. So not yet the selling price. So um, so you have there 1,500 pesos times 1.25 to get the markup price, meaning the base price, the price plus the markup. So 1,500 times 1.25, meaning to say if you're going to multiply 1,500 by 0.25, that's 25% of 1,500, then add that to 1,500, okay? That is just the same as multiplying it directly by 1.25. So the answer is 1,875 pesos. Now the discounted price, it says they give a 5% discount to loyal customers. They give a 5% discount to loyal customers. So now the markup price is 1,875. You're going to get the discounted price. So you may be wondering why we multiply it by 0.95 when the discounted amount or rate is 5%. That is 100% minus 5%. This is another shortcut, guys. But you can again um, solve using your solution, the one that you used to in solving. You can just multiply 5% or 0.05 to 1,875. So whatever the amount you get, the 5% amount, then you are going to deduct that from 1,875 pesos. Okay? But it will give the same result, and this is faster, since it's 5% discount, meaning to say if you multiply the markup price with the 95% or 0.95, that will give you the discounted price. Okay, the shortcut one. So 1,781 pesos and 25 cents. Now the base price based on the formula, that is 1,781.25 pesos, because that's the discounted price. Then you have there the base price will be excluding VAT will be divided by 1.12. That gives us 1,590 pesos point 40 cents or centavos. Okay, that is exclude the VAT. And the VAT amount, okay, what is the VAT amount? Of course, you go back to the discounted price. The VAT amount will be 1,781 pesos and 25 centavos minus the base price, which is 1,590 pesos and 40 cents, is equivalent to 190 pesos and 85 centavos. That is the VAT amount. Now, I hope you understand that this problem. Now, let us now proceed to practice exercises where you're going to answer on your notebook, copy and answer and show the solution. Number one, how much VAT is added to a 500 peso item that is VAT exclusive? Is it A, 50 pesos, B, 60 pesos, C, 100 pesos, and D, 56 pesos? Number two, what is the VAT on a 1,120 item pesos if it's VAT inclusive? A, 120 pesos, B, 100 pesos, C, 130 pesos, and D, 150 pesos. Letter number three, the product worth 80 pesos is usually A, VAT inclusive, B, VAT exempt, C, tax twice, D, none of the above. Number four, a shirt is 560 pesos and is VAT exclusive. What is the total price with VAT? A, 620 pesos, B, 627 pesos and 20 centavos, C, 630 pesos, D, 560 pesos. And number five, last number, which of the following prices is likely VAT inclusive? A, 2,800 pesos, B, 40 pesos, C, 80 pesos, and letter D, 90 pesos. So that would be all, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something from this video lesson.